Let's meet the happy farm animals. Sing, clap, and make animal sounds with us. The cow on the farm says moo, moo, moo. Big brown cow says moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. The hen on the farm says cluck, cluck, cluck. Little red hen says cluck, cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. The duck on the farm says quack, quack, quack. Yellow duck goes quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. The horse on the farm says neigh, neigh, neigh. Strong brown horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. The sheep on the farm says ba, ba, ba. White fluffy sheep says ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. The goat on the farm says meh, meh, meh. Funny goat says meh, meh, meh. Meh, meh, meh. Meh, meh, meh. Moo, moo, cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, quack, quack. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Ba, ba, ba. Meh, meh, meh. Farm animals are fun to say. We love farm animals every day. Clap your hands and shout, hey! Subscribe for more fun with Wonder Giggles!